Alright, in our last video we talked about composition and design. This video we're going to talk about a little color theory. So we need to talk about the color wheel. Okay? The color wheel, the primary colors on the color wheel are red, blue, and yellow. Okay? The secondary colors are mixtures of the primaries. Red and blue make violet, red and yellow make orange, and yellow and blue make green. Those are the secondary colors. The intermediate colors are made from the primary and the secondary. So red violet, blue violet, blue green, yellow green, yellow orange, and red orange. Those are your intermediate colors. They're a mixture, like I said, of the primary and the secondary. The center spot out here is for your neutrals. That's black and white and the grays. Okay? So that's all your intermediates, your neutrals in the center. So just to review your color wheel itself, your primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, those colors can't be made. They can't be mixed. They just exist. Secondary colors, orange, violet, and green, those are mixtures of the primaries. Intermediate colors, red violet, blue violet, blue green, yellow green, yellow orange, and red orange. Okay? Those are mixtures of the primaries and the secondaries. And then your neutrals that are out in the middle, that's your black, your white, and your grays. Okay? So your primary, secondary, intermediate, and neutrals. When we start talking about color schemes, there we go. Start talking about color schemes for your projects, we're going to work in these 6 schemes during the course of the semester. Monochromatic, analogous, triad, split complement, complement, and analogous complement. So let's talk about each one of those. Looking at our color wheel, monochromatic. The word mono means one. The word chrome or chroma means color. So monochromatic means one color. You can also use tints and shades of that color. So let's just say we're going to use red. That's going to be our monochromatic color scheme is red. You can also have light red, dark red, medium red, or you can just have red. Analogous. Analogous are colors on the color wheel that are next to each other. So you can pick any place on the color wheel and start. Let's start with violet. And let's go this way. Violet, and blue. So violet, and blue. That's an analogous color scheme. That works anywhere on the color wheel. It doesn't matter where you start. Could be yellow green, yellow orange. Could be red orange, red violet. Anywhere works. Triad. The reason I draw the color wheel like this, the way I do, is because 2 of your triads are already marked. The word triad sounds like the word triangle. So one of your triads is red, yellow, and blue. Makes that triangle. Another one of your triads is orange, violet, and green. There are two more triads on the color wheel, and that would be red-violet, blue-green, and yellow-orange. And the other one would be red-orange, yellow-green, and blue-violet. So you just pick one of those. And just for demonstration purposes, let's go with the red, blue, and yellow. All right, split complement. Split complement also works anywhere on the color wheel. You pick a color on the color wheel, you go straight across the color wheel, and you split. So let's say I start with blue-violet over here. I would go straight across the color wheel, and I would split on the other side. So blue-violet, orange, and yellow. Green, red-orange, red-violet. Red-orange, blue, and green. That works anywhere on the color wheel. So let's do the red-orange, blue, and green for our purposes. Red-orange, blue, and green. The fifth color scheme is complementary. And like split complementary, the complementary, you just go straight across. So I could go green and red, violet, yellow, orange, blue, blue-violet, yellow-orange. So for this one, let's go with the red and the green. And our last one is analogous complement. Now back when we did analogous, those are the colors that are right next to each other, and we chose violet, blue-violet, and blue. And for the analogous complement, you go violet, blue-violet, and blue, and you take the complement of the center one. So that would be yellow-orange. So violet, blue-violet, blue, and yellow-orange. Yellow-green, green, blue-green, and red. Yellow-green, yellow, yellow-orange, and violet. So let's go with the one that we have up here for analogous, the violet, blue-violet, blue. So violet, blue-violet, and blue, and yellow-orange. Let me write that down here. Yellow-orange. Okay? So violet, blue-violet, blue, and yellow-orange. Those are the 6 color schemes we're going to use this semester. That's how you obtain them, and that's one of the things that you are going to need to know in order to be able to put color schemes to your work. So that's your color schemes and a little bit about color theory.